Hello there, welcome to this brand new video. I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make $300 online just by typing names. And the best part about this method is that it's worldwide, so you can do it from anywhere in the world, and all you will need is a laptop or a smartphone and an internet connection. Then, as long as you do some typing, you will be able to get started making money online. This is the best way to make money without any skills. Anyone can do this because it's really easy to do. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a secret on how you can do this properly and make more money from this method. Then make sure you don't skip any second of this video, because you're not going to want to miss this secret that's going to allow you to make even more money with this typing method. Okay, now this is why I recommend this method. First, it is available worldwide. So, no matter where in the world you may be, you can do this from your home, from your office, from anywhere you may be, even from the beach. You can just start doing this method right away from any place. Second, there are no skills required. Anyone can do this method. Even if you're just beginning making money online, you can do this method perfectly well. It's going to definitely work for anyone. Third, for this method, you're not going to have to create any website at all. Fourth, you won't be needing any email list to make money with this method. So the only thing you will need is a computer or a mobile phone. Another thing that you will be needing, of course, is an internet connection. And in order to get paid, you will need a PayPal account. And if you don't have a PayPal account or don't even know what that is, well, don't worry about that, because in a couple of minutes I will be giving you all of the details on how to get your completely free PayPal account to start receiving money. And a very important fact about this method is that it consists of a real and legitimate making money website. Okay, so I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's real. People are actually making money with this method. They are getting the results they want every day. So this method just definitely works. This is a legendary website that allows you to make money just by typing names. I have done some research and I found reviews of people who are doing this method. As you see here, people are doing this and they're getting paid with the method that I'm about to show you. For example, this website has a rating of 4.9 from over 2,000 votes, and over here, according to Trustpilot, it has a 4.5 star rating for 48 reviews. Under here, you can see that it also has a 4.9 star rating with over 2,000 reviews, and you can keep on seeing the great rating that this website has. Now, here are some of the results from the people that are using this website right now to make money online. So you can win different amounts. But here we have $300, and we have another $300. Here we have another $300, and the list goes on and on. There are hundreds of people right now using this website to make money from home. This is basically a list of all the people who have recently won awards doing this method. So to access that website, you just go to your URL bar and type in squadhelp.com and hit enter. And the first thing you want to do is sign up for an account. So just click on the sign up link on the top right corner, and this will take you to the sign up form. Fill in your details, guys. Remember, this accepts people from anywhere in the world, so you just use your real information to get accepted and avoid getting banned for using other data or a VPN to change your location. Now, make sure you select the option Join as a Creative, and then just click the Create Account button to continue with the process, and you might need to fill out some additional information to complete your profile, which will take you around 5 minutes, and it's really easy to do. And remember, you will be needing a PayPal account in order to get paid, so in a couple of minutes I will be showing you how to get one for free in case you don't have it. Now, how this website works is that it allows business owners who are looking for a name for their new brand, their new product, their new service, their new software, their new website, or even for their new company, and it allows them to submit this name creation request so they can have people or creatives submit their ideas, and the one that gets picked then gets paid. And this is the 4-step process you should follow to start making money on this website. First, submit your ideas in naming, slogan, or logo contests. So there are also businesses looking for logos or other graphic design creations, which you can also work on if you want to earn more money. But for this video, we're going to concentrate on exactly how you can get paid just by typing in name ideas. Just simple, catchy words. Second, contest holders rate your ideas and provide feedback. Third, earn cash rewards if your idea is selected by the company. And fourth, earn badges and points and branding rights when your ideas are liked. So once you sign up, then you can go and find these contests and you can actually go and submit your words. And coming up with these ideas is going to be really easy with the secret free tool that I will be providing you in a few minutes. This will help you get the most amount of money out with this method and put you on top of the competition. So be sure to keep watching this video until the end because you don't want to miss any part. This is really important. Now, if we scroll down a little, you can find very important questions that I recommend you read through. For now, these are the most important. How will I get paid? We use PayPal to send all payouts. You will need to have a verified PayPal account to get paid, okay? Now, how much can I earn if I win a contest? Most of our contests typically have an award amount between $100 and $300. Some contests may have a higher award amount, okay? So you can even be making more money just by winning one contest. Now, to find the contest, you just go to the upper menu and hover over the contest option. Then find and click on active contests. And it will take you to this page where you will find a list of all active contests. You can just scroll down and find the contest where people are looking for names. Now, what I recommend you do is that you choose to see only the guarantee award contest, okay? So you can come to the filter options and click on guarantee. So this will show you only the contests that have a guarantee price. These are all of the active contests that are guaranteed that will pay you in cash if your idea is the winning one. So you can see how many entries and how many time left you have to participate on each of these contests. So you can just search through the one you like the best and click on it. And it's going to show you all of the different information that you really need to make sure you read all this through because you want to make sure you get this correctly, and the only way that you're going to win this contest is if you get everything right. So as you see here, they need a brand name for a clothing or fashion brand. So this is a naming or company name contest. So now let's get some help for coming up with the winning idea. You might already have a couple of great ideas for this example alone, but if you want to try to get more options or just want to complete this task as fast as possible to then be able to apply to as many contests as you can, which will of course increase your income, then you want to go to the URL bar again and open a new tab and type in namelix.com and hit enter. This will take you to one of the best business name generators out there. This will allow you to get more and more winning ideas the fastest way possible using artificial intelligence. So all you need to do is enter in this box the keywords that are most important for the name that you need to generate. So you can just highlight these main keywords, copy them and enter them here on the box and click generate. So you can choose the length of the names that you want, and for me the shortest the better. So let's choose 3 to 6 letter words and see what it comes up. Click on the next button and of course select a name style. Let's go with brandable names and click generate. So this generator will not only show you great names, but it will also give you some great logo options that you can get some inspiration from. So you can scroll down and see all of the options that this namelix.com website has for you for this naming contest. So there's one really good, fashion or fashion rights, that's also really great. So you can scroll all through these options and select the name that's the winning one for you and just submit that name to the contest. And I also want to show you how much money these creators have made so far. So this is the leaderboard and you can click over these creator names and see more information on what this person has done so far. So this creator has won 149 competitions and has over 377,000 total points and has earned almost $30,000 with this website, guys. So let's scroll down and you can see what type of creations this person has done and won to earn that amount of money. So you can also create logos and sell them through this website and you can make over $1,000. And here is the winning portfolio for this person, and you can get really great inspiration from all of this winning contests. So my recommendation is that you start working on as many ideas as you can to earn the most amount of money possible really fast. And then I think it's really important to think big and take that money to start a sustainable online business that will give you passive income, okay? like for example an affiliate marketing business or an e-commerce website. Okay, if you want, you can even get more ideas. But before we continue, I hope you're finding this video useful, and if you are, then please, if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tips, tools, and tutorials for building your successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when we upload a new video on making money online. Thanks again for your support. Okay, let's get back into this video. So to get even more ideas, you can simply go to your URL bar and type in overlow.com and hit enter. So once you arrive to this website, you can come to the top menu and take your mouse to resources and click on free business tools. Then scroll down a little bit and click on business name generator. Find a business name, click on that link, then scroll down a little bit and enter a word that you want your business name to include. So for instance, let's type in clothing, following the same example before, and click on generate names. So Overlow will find for you over 100 business names containing the clothing word. Okay, so you can get amazing ideas from this website also. For instance, we have clothing freedom, and how about this one, superhero clothing or brainwave clothing, clothing eyes. Okay, so you can just keep on checking out all of the options you got from Overlow. And there are many other business names generators that you can use for free. You just have to go to Google and you'll find many other name generators that you can use for free. Now I have for you an extra bonus that will allow you to multiply your money earnings. So you can come back to the URL bar and type in namingforce.com and hit enter. You will arrive at this other great site that is also paying money to people who offers the best name ideas. Here you can earn from $200 for each winning name. To start, just go to the upper menu bar and click on Become a Namer. This will take you to their sign up form that you just fill out to start participating in their contest. And this website will also send you the payments in cash right into your PayPal account. Now remember, for those of you who don't have a PayPal account, you can follow the process of creating one from scratch on the video that is now linked on the top right corner, and I will also leave a link to down in the description below this video. So go now and see that video to create your free PayPal account, then come back to this video to finish up your applications and start getting paid. So now that you have your PayPal account ready to start receiving money, you can click and watch this next video to discover how to make even more money using only your mobile phone with the 8 best apps that pay you real money fast. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.